When you search for the best microfiber mop for hardwood floors, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, EXCGO Microfiber Spray Mop. First up is the EXCGO Microfiber Spray Mop. Priced at $17.99, this mop caught my eye with its sleek dark blue color and its promise of effortless cleaning. If you want a user-friendly solution for your hardwood floors, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the EXCGO mop stands out. It features both wet and dry functions, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. The 360-degree rotating head allows you to reach under furniture and into tight spots, which is crucial for a thorough clean. Plus, with 3 washable microfiber pads, you can keep it eco-friendly and cost-effective. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 11,600 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of struggling with traditional mops that leave streaks or miss spots, this system simplifies your cleaning routine. Now, some people complained about the spray mechanism not being powerful enough. Here's the thing though, as long as you don't need an industrial-grade spray, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's perfect for everyday messes like dust and light spills. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use mop that minimizes effort for regular cleaning. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine that can handle extreme grime. For the price, it's a solid investment for keeping your hardwood floors pristine. Now, if the spray functionality of the EXCGO mop isn't enough for you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop. Next up is the O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. At $34.96, it's on the higher end, but the functionality is impressive. If you want a mop that offers a deep clean with minimal physical effort, this one should definitely be on your radar. The Easy Ring comes with a built-in ringer that lets you do hands-free ringing. This means no more messy hands or back pain from twisting and squeezing the mop. The deep cleaning microfiber head effectively captures dirt and grime with just water, making it safe for all hard floors. Plus, the telescopic handle extends to 48 inches, so you can mop without bending over. With a staggering 4.6-star rating from around 193,000 reviews, it's clear this mop has made quite the impression. This matters to you if you're looking for something that combines convenience with effectiveness. Now, some users have pointed out that the bucket can be a bit bulky. But I'll be honest, for the convenience of hands-free ringing, I'd say it's worth the extra space. If you have a bigger area to clean, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is ideal for you if you have a larger home and want an efficient, ergonomic cleaning solution. Skip this if you have very limited storage space. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more budget-friendly. Product number 3, MEXCRRIS Floor Mop with 5 pads. Coming in hot at $23.96 is the MEXCRRIS Floor Mop. With its vibrant green design, it caught my attention right away. If you're looking for a budget-friendly mop that doesn't skimp on features, keep listening. This mop comes with 2 refillable bottles and 5 washable pads, which is a huge plus. The anti-leakage bottles mean you won't waste any cleaning solution, and the additional scraper tool helps you remove stubborn dirt from the pads. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 50,400 reviews, it's clear that this mop has been well received. Here's why this matters. If you have kids or pets, this mop offers a quick and easy way to keep up with daily messes without breaking the bank. Some people found the handle a bit flimsy, but honestly, as long as you're not using it for heavy-duty scrubbing, it should hold up just fine. It's designed for everyday cleaning, and for that purpose, it really shines. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable yet affordable cleaning solution for your home. Skip this if you need something industrial or super heavy-duty. For the features it offers, it's a great value. If that one sounded appealing, wait until you hear about the next one, which brings some similar benefits, but in a more compact design. Product number 4, MEXCRRIS Spray Wet Mop. Next is another Microfiber model, this time priced at $16.99. This version is a bit more compact and still packs a punch. If you want something lightweight and easy to store, this mop is worth considering. This mop features a 410 ml refillable bottle and 3 washable pads, making it super easy to clean up spills without needing a bucket. The aluminum pole is lightweight yet durable, and the 360-degree rotating head ensures you can reach those tricky spots under furniture. With a 4.4-star rating from over 50,400 reviews, it's clear that people are finding this mop to be a useful tool. Here's why it matters. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use, this mop eliminates the need for bulky equipment while still delivering great results. But honestly, for the price point, it's a minor issue and you'll get used to it with a little practice. This is perfect for you if you're tight on space but still want an effective cleaning tool. Skip this if you prefer a larger mop for bigger jobs. All in all, it's a solid choice for its price. Now, if you like the compact design but want a bit more versatility, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, BPAWA Flat Floor Mop. Lastly, we have the BPAWA Flat Floor Mop, retailing at $17.99. This mop stands out with its adjustable handle, making it customizable for different users. If you have family members of varying heights, this might be the mop for you. The BPAWA mop comes with 4 washable pads, and the ability to extend from 32 to 59 inches is a game changer for comfort. The 360-degree swivel head allows you to glide under furniture and reach into corners easily. Rated 4.6 stars from around 1,600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its flexibility and durability. This is especially important if you have hard-to-reach areas in your home. However, some users felt that the pads might need more scrubbing power for tougher stains. Here's the thing though, for everyday cleaning, they're more than sufficient, and you can always use your favorite cleaner to boost effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you want a mop that accommodates different users and is reliable for daily cleanups. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically designed for tough stains. For its price point and features, it's a great deal. So there you have it. Each mop has its strengths, whether you're prioritizing budget, ease of use, or flexibility. To wrap it up, the EXCGO Microfiber Spray Mop is great for effortless cleaning. The O-Cedar Easy Ring offers hands-free ringing. The MEXCRRIS options provide budget-friendly versatility, and the BPAWA has that adjustable feature for comfort. Each one meets different needs, so you can pick the one that fits your lifestyle best. Happy cleaning!